Few days ago I did not vlog anything. I was totally sad. In order to upgrade things, I had to sell my sweetest Himalayan. This is your rider Punit, and welcome back to the channel Advento Wise. So today's vlog is all about taking a test ride on Harley Davidson Street 750. So it's a 2015 model. We are planning to invest on it, and let's check. But my thing is that, is it worth something around 2.75 lakhs? So we'll sit and negotiate. We'll test drive that firstly. We'll think over it later on. What happened is, few days ago I did not vlog anything. I was totally sad. I was not at all happy, and that was the reason I just stopped vlogging. Reason behind that was, in order to upgrade things, I had to sell my sweetest Himalayan. But by the grace of God, managing to arrange cash. So that's the reason I'm not going to sell this, and I'm going to keep this, and we are going to upgrade. Not now. It might take time, but I'm not going to buy a new bike. I'm going to buying a used one. So we'll keep this as well, and we'll keep my Unicorn as well, and my Jupiter, which is the daily commute, and this is for touring and thinking to buy a street twin or a cruiser. We'll pray for that. With the grace of God, let it happen. So I'm totally happy with what I've got now. So this is the best commuter, man. I just love you like anything. There's a new sticker on the bike. I'll show it to you. I was not considering vlogging, so that's the reason I did not have any kind of subscribers count increasing or anything. But the video content which I'm doing, I think I'm satisfied with what I've done. So if you have not seen my previous vlog, we did the camping vlogging, please check that. It's absolutely fantastic. We had a very great experience. I have more options to go. Time is not permitting me actually. And you know what, guys, fitness, I've started to go down, and I've lost almost 5 kgs in almost 20 days. So that's due to Herbalife. Thanks to Herbalife. I really recommend Herbalife to use it, and if you do it consistently, you will be really losing your weights. Anybody who's totally fat, who can lose your weight. This is not a paid promotion, but what I've got, I'm just sharing it to you. Already waiting for me near Cake of Today. The name of the bakery which is there, a bakery or whatever you call. So the sweet shop, the cake store which is there, the name is called Cake of Today. We have cake of the day and Cake of Today. Exactly opposite towards that Cake of Today, we have got Harley Davidson, used vehicle standing. Let's go check, and let's think of vlogging over that. How many signals are again? Okay, Interceptor 650, I believe. Yes, I think so. It's Interceptor 650. So it's so quite to see. It's there. You can see Classics 350, Interceptor, Himalayan. Nonsense. It was directly recorded on the Gopro. That was so near. That was too close. That's the reason. Have a safe ride, guys. Feeling totally shy after riding it after a long time. No problems, yeah, no problems. Ask my brother, where is he actually? Ooh. Throttle is totally good. Man, this is the cruiser, but totally zero noise, guys. This has got zero noise. That is the main problem of this. So I can't judge what is the performance of this here. So engine is getting totally heated up. This is the first time I'm riding Harley Davidson. Oh man. Oh god, good power. Now I'm going at 20, that's it. This Activa wala horn will never change in any kind of bikes. That is a main disadvantage. I have to know. It is attracting, man, attracting everybody. So the tires are already gone, so I have to invest on tires again. And guys, please comment below, is it worth buying it for 2,19,000, so 2,90,000 rupees, 80,000 final. It is pushing, but I have to get adjusted to it. So we'll see it in the highway how it actually performs. Is it performing well or not? I have to check out with the switch. Yeah, lights are there. Totally dim lights. They're not performing really good. I have no other time to ride. This is the best time what I can do. Vlogging is right now. Oh. Enormous power, man. Oh. Sounds totally great. It's more better than what my Himalayan is all about. Oh my god. Suspension is totally soft in the back. And sorry for the noise because I can't see because I've got my black visor. That is the reason I can't. No. Oh. Totally beautiful. Look at the pull. Still a third gear. Oh my god. Look at the wind which is blowing actually. I don't know whether my GoPro is recording this or not. Got 612 gears done. I'm cruising at a speed of 100. So I think I have to balance a lot of things in this. I have to learn riding Harley Davidson actually, I think so. Doesn't need to struggle in order to go 120 speed. Man, got enormous amount of power, but we need jackets, we need riding gears in order to drive this bike because huge amount of power. Man, again a signal. I hate this. So I'm back again here. Let me park it there directly. So ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ರೆಡಿ ಇದೆ ಈ ಗಾಡಿನಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ.
ಓಕೆ,
ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ನಾನು.
ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ರಾಯಲ್ ಎನ್ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಾಡಿ.
ಇದ್ಯಾವುದಿದು?
ಕಾಮೆಟ್ 650.
ಇದು ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿರೋದಾ?
ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ, ವೈರಿಂಗ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಇದೆ.
ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಇದೇನಾ?
ಇದೇನೆ.
ಓಕೆ. ಫೀಟ್ ರಾಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂಚೂರು ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರೋದು. ಇದು ಹಂಪಲ್ಲಿ ಎಚ್ಚಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಯೋಚನೆ ನನಗೆ. ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ಕೇಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಟುಡೇ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬಾಟ್ ದ ಕೇಕ್ಸ್. ಯಾರು? ಹೌದಾ, ನಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ. So fine, we have brought the cakes and so hope you have enjoyed the vlog. So that was a quick test drive of Harley Davidson Street 750, which is for sale right now. I don't know, is it worth buying it? I am pretty satisfied generally for this performance, but still I've got a lot of work to do on that. That was a major issue for me. ಅದನ್ನು ಓಡಿಸಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಅಂಡರ್ ಪವರ್ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. 120 ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು. So we're heading back home. We have taken everything. We have taken the cake and whatever the sparkle is needed. We are heading back home. So we are about to cut the cake right now, and it's a personal party actually, and we're not going to have any kind of other stuffs, but somehow we're going to enjoy the family time. See you in the next vlog, guys. Until then, take care. Bye. Chabba khair. Love you all. So if you have really liked the video, please do subscribe to my channel and do comment, do like and share.